Good morning to all. Today we study about the automated car parking system. So the growing population of the India has created by many problems. One of the challenging one are parking, which can be comfort almost every day. The automated car parking is a method of automatically parking and retrieving the car that typically used in the system of pallets and lift. The intention is to compact more cars in same spaces, reduce the space needed to park the same number of the car. The automated car park can be situated above or below the ground or a combination of the both. The advantages of the automatic parking. The multi-level parking system sometimes has provided relief. The parking car contained one or more secure systems, no public access to park the car. Only minimal ventilation and lighting systems are needed. Lower maintenance and operation costs are needed. Minor parking damage such as scrap and dentals are eliminated. More parking in less space, eliminating the need from ramp arises passenger lift stairs. Comfortable for the driver and car, more secured. Most saving for building by saving a higher depth. Lower ceiling requirement and dense depth to depth and dumper to dumper parking is possible. So history of the car parking. The automated car parking system first appeared in Europe as early as possible in 19th. In North America in 1920. The need for automation parking system is the same as maximize the value of available land by condensing parking. In 1950s, they saw the peak of the industry in North America with number of high profile systems and then built the demand in Japanese, Korea and part of the Europeans. The technology has been around a long time, widely used in other part of the country and the world. The difference between the automatic and traditional car parking system. There is a greater sense of security due to the fact pattern. There is a high parking efficiency. There is no need of driving while looking for the available space. The pattern weight. There is a car highly controlled by environmental. There are less chances for vehicle validation. There is minimal staff requirement if it is used by known parker. There is a easier feedback integration since there is a no ramping floor or opening in exterior walls. Disadvantages of these parking system. Use a redundant system can be result in a greater cost. It may be bit confusing for unfamiliar users. It is not recommended for high peak hour volume facility. There is be fear between the breakdown. There is no uncertain building department review or approval processes. It requires maintenance contract with the supplier. So traditional car parking system. The advantages and disadvantages of traditional car parking system. This is a photo in which we are study the different types of the cars are parked with the same line. While doing or taking the park, there is a damage or scrap of the part. So the advantages of the traditional system. Easy of maintenance, easy faster communication, no wastage of time, require less manpower. And disadvantages of traditional parking system. Loss of driving related job, loss of privacy, driving being inexperienced if the situation arises, require a manual driving, software reliability for damages, self-driving cars could be potentially located with explosion and used as a bomb. So fully automatic parking system. What the fully automatic parking system give? The fully automatic parking system operates like a robotic valet parking. The driver drives the car into the APS entry area. The driver and all passengers exit the car. The driver uses an automated terminal nearby for the payment and receipt of the ticket. More sophisticated fully automated APS will obtain the dimension. The driver retrieves the car by interest, ticket or code into the automated terminal. The APS lifts the car and its parking spaces, relieve its exit area. So this is a figures which is in that figures there is a car parking system. There is a various types of the car parking system. The semi-automatic APS also be the mechanical system of same type of the car parking area, and the choice between the fully and semi-automatic parking system matters space and cost. The types of the parking systems. There are various types of the parking system. Depending upon the space availability, there are the various types of the parking system. That is dependent stack system, puzzle car parking system, stacker crank parking system, tower parking system, car type parking system, level parking system, chase type parking system, rotary car parking system, turntable system and car lift. So dependent and stack system, in which there is a stacker. On that stacker we have to stack the car, and that car can be stacked as shown in the figure. These systems are electromechanically or hydraulically operated. These systems are valet parking system, most preferred in residential complex area or IT parks. These can be varies the space, construction, lighting, fire, etc. And the park system can be secured, and it can be needed the parking system 15 to 20 years, and it can be extended to 30 years for if there is a good maintenance. Puzzle system. These systems can be a combination of the loading and unloading. The puzzle can be solved with respect to the maximum electrically manual, and it can be operated with the system. The system is designed in the form of the matrix, that is 2 into 2 or 2 into 3. The total number of the available spots, certain number of the spots can be virtually manipulated, and available space of the 6th level in which the car is independently parked. This is the system in which the car are retrieval. There are many of the places are vacant in the figure. So this is the diagram which is related to the car parking system, puzzle car parking system. Next is stacker car parking system. A stacker system is attached, that is a unique mechanism, and this mechanism can be held to lift the car, and that crane can be used and number of the car in the floor. These can be automated 100 to 300 cars. The technical specification, that is car length is 500 mm, its width is 2100 mm, height is 1500 mm, 1700 and 2000 mm, the weight is 200 kg. So this is the stacker crane parking system. Cart parking system. Some car parking can be attached with respect to the cart parking. The cart parking, which involves a parking floor, the number dependent on the number of the floor. The system can be pallet based, without pallet also. Preferably these systems can be used in longitudinal parking system. The system can be designed for 50 to 100 cars. So this is a cart parking system. Level parking system. This is a building in which the superior space are necessary, and with respect to these go down the vertical and horizontal direction, the car can be parked. Tower parking system. This is a tower parking system. This parking system can be implemented in European countries, not in India. These parking systems are electromechanically operated. At the loading point as the design, the lift shall be receive the car and travel responsible location of the car parking slot. This is the advantages. The space availability is good, easy maintenance, bottom and middle top entrance is possible, inbuilt stand-alone option, human-oriented design and computerized control system. Next is a chase parking system, in which the systems can be maximum utilization of the floor space, and with respect to that there is a movement of the mechanism. This floor mounted road bed system which can be allows the synchronous movement of the pallet, and this is used to the car. So requirement of different types of the system. The planning, general building code requirement, architecture, structural, electrical, mechanical code and fire code. So planning requirement. The car parking system requires the planning. This is the planning, how you fit the car, which is the entrance, which is the exit, all this planning are required. Planning required, it is in cart type, it is in level type, it is in puzzle type. So building code requirement, there is a enclosed parking carriages, open parking carriages, and with respect to that carriages you have to code the building. Architecture requirement. Architecture requirement that one on other the car can be used. The first figure shows the standard system and the next figure shows the compact system. Minimum height requirement. Structural requirement. So fire department requirement. The access to the building and the fire detection and reporting is necessary. The fire attacks are necessary. A firefighting safety is necessary in car parking system. It is very valuable and it is very useful for the safety of the car as well as the driver. So fire safety can be implemented with respect to the car stacker of 4 level, and these can be implemented with respect to the sprinkler smoke exhaust system separate from the uses. So in this way we are concluded that the APS system is more usable automatic system in which in less space the more car can be parked. So thank you very much.